here for a game. LA and Saskatoon. We're going to quickly hurry up and get the game in. You got Stastny, Hamilton, Brouwer, Ronta, Sharp, Okposo, Megan, Hart. The Dragons and Blizzard both going with alternates. The Dragons in the black, the Blizzard in the darker gray than their home jersey. 4:42 p.m. puck drop. Puck takes a bounce on Stastny. He fired 2 shots in a row. Stastny threw it. He's been taking a few shots here early. Megan shot. Save Ronta. The Dragons looking to rebound after a crushing defeat to the Victoria Millionaires 7-3. The Blizzard won, so they've got momentum heading into this second game of a back-to-back. Hamilton shoots a long shot, save. Here's Okposo. He whiffs on the shot and eventually gets it off. Hamilton with it, gave it to Troy Brouwer. He turns around and shoots nothing. Megan, save. Stastny shot it on his side. They should just do that more often. Well, a lot more goals in that sense. Hamilton shoots the puck and another save is made. Give it up. And they score! Wade Megan snaps it by Antti Ronta and the Blizzard lead 1-0. I feel like the away team's been opening up the scoring much more lately. And honestly, it's irritating. Because it's every game. One nothing Blizzard. 42 seconds in. And a whiff on the shot. Kept alive. Megan save and it goes out of bounds. LA looking to not get lit up. There's another save. Okposo bounced it off Stastny, who now has the puck, and blasts one. He missed the shot, and Megan ended up missing the shot. Oh, nice pass to Hamilton from behind the line. Man, that's getting too fancy off the crossbar. Kept alive. Stastny shoots it out of bounds as he went offside, so the offside overrules the out of bounds. Here's the draw. And another offside. Man, this is very, very sloppy stuff. Hamilton gave it away. He had open ice to shoot, but instead he gave it away. Man, this has been sloppy here early. I mean, it's 1-0, but Okposo drops it and shoots. Another save. 100 seconds left in the period. Sharp in the corner. That is off. Sharp fires another save, and it goes out again. This has been a very slow-moving first period. And it's going to be even slower moving because the puck is missing. Nope, never mind. It's sitting right there. Yeah, we're not moving very fast at all. Face off, Hamilton fires another offside. Open ice to shoot, no good, and they throw it back in the corner. Man, this has been sloppy. This is the sloppiest play I've ever seen. Has to be 4 offsides in this period alone. No penalties yet, which I'm surprised about. Megan missed the shot, it comes back. Another miss, and it goes out again. Every puck is going out of bounds. Man, this has been very ugly here. Stastny missed the shot. Carter Hart made the save. Sharp, no. And it comes to LA. Stastny gave it to Brouwer. He turns around and fires. He missed. Okposo gave it away to Hamilton, and the puck took a skip. Sharp scores 2-0. He put the shot on. The puck came right back to him, and he put it in off the side of Antti Ronta, and it's 2-0. It ain't looking too good here early. For the Dragons, they need to respond. Put a couple in the net. They're saying the Blizzard have the draw. Okposo has it. Up to Megan, he shoots, saved. Hamilton to Brouwer, back to Hamilton, another save. And now Sharp fires a shot, missed. I feel like if that puck doesn't take a skip, it's going in to make it 3-0, and Ronta's probably out of the game right there. The Blizzard get another face-off. Sharp missed the shot. Stastny scores! Paul Stastny. The Dragons get one right back. 2-1. Stastny. It was pure. A pure shot here, and Stastny winds up and fires. Just puts it pure into the net. Past Carter Hart. (2-1) the score. Here's the face-off. Megan fires nothing. The puck given away. Stastny whiffed on the shot and kind of just released one late. And Sharp flips it from distance and he scores. Patrick Sharp from behind the goal line. That's been becoming a very common move by LHL players. The Blizzard get it right back. It's 3-1. We all thought the Dragons would be right back in it, but 8 seconds later, Patrick Sharp with another one from distance. Just whips it by Antti Ranta. It's 3-1. The faceoff goes to Sharp, sends it across, deflected away by a shot now, by a puck on the line, goes to the Blizzard again. Okposo save, and Megan shanks the shot. Got the Blizzard up 3-1. Here's the faceoff. Stastny saved by Hart. Played it out to Okposo. He hits the goalpost. Bounces it back. Sharp, another save. He keeps it again. Megan off the post again. He hits that same post. And now another save. The Blizzard are going to kill off a little time. Okposo missed. Stastny with it. He puts one on. Another save. 5 seconds left. They're going to kill some time. Nearly an own goal. Save with 1.2. Is that enough time to get a quick goal? We'll see if that's the case. And nope, it's not. Stastny can't get a handle on the puck, and he spikes it. That's the end of the first. 3-1. Back for period number 2 from Los Angeles. The score, Blizzard 3, Dragons 1. We're underway. Stastny, first shot of the period, a save. Sharp put it wide to the right. Across the crease. Hamilton missed it. He tries again, and Hart makes the save that time. He sends it up and snaps a shot. Another save. And now here's Hart. Gets it across to Sharpie. He whips one on, and a save is made again. Stastny can't put it in. Another save by Carter Hart. He puts it back into the corner. Sharp with it in the circle. Takes a bounce. Goes to Hamilton. And another save by Hart. Kept alive. There's a missed shot. Given away. Stastny with a long shot blocked by his own teammate. And now another try on the goal line and put in. It is an own goal by Hart. I believe Brower is going to be the one getting credit. We'll look. But the Dragons are right back in it. 3-2. I mean, now you've got Carter Hart saying, "You have got to be kidding me." (3-2) the score. And this is about the same point that the Blizzard scored their first goal of the period. Stastny off the crossbar, and he fires it high the second time. Stastny has been taking a lot of the shots. He's been taking a bulk of the shots for the Dragons here in this game, but has not worked. Out of bounds goes Okposo. They're basically on the power play now. Brower gave it away. And now a shot by Sharp. A save rolls. And Brower threw it into the corner. Stastny. Give it to Brower. Now Stastny. Open ice and a goal! And the Dragons rally right back to tie the game. And Hart just owned goal after the whistle on top of that. Stastny with his second. Tie game. Stasny kind of just puts it on. Hart doesn't even move. When he does dive, it's already too late. The puck's in the net. Here's the draw. Opozo with it from the out-of-bounds save. And a throw. Nothing. Hamilton with it. Hamilton. Oh, wow. I don't even know what that hit. All I know is that it went out of bounds with a $1:46 to go here in period number 2. The Dragons have rallied back to tie the game. It's 3-3. Opozo off the draw. A save. Now Sharp, another try out of bounds off the stop again. 3-3 the score. As I've said a couple times already. And we're down to 100 seconds left. That puck nearly went in off the faceoff. Brouwer puts one out, another save. The puck goes out with 95 seconds. This game's been moving pretty slowly. It's 4:53. The game started at 4:42. It's taken 11 minutes so far. Off the draw, Hamilton. No. Rebound off the side of the net. The Blizzard have it again. Opozo fakes the shot, then fakes the pass. And now he actually passes a beautiful pass to Sharp. He goes out of bounds. Or offside, I should say. And then jams into the corner. But it goes to the Dragons. The play is still live. And he scores! Stasny again. A huge mistake by Kyle Opozo. Really just jamming that into the corner as Stasny flew out. The Dragons have their first lead. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. 4-3. Unbelievable stuff. Kyle Opozo jammed it off the boards. And kind of just gave Stasny a free goal. Missed shot. Hamilton rebound save. Across to Stasny again. He fires no. Hamilton another try off the side of the net. The Dragons have all the momentum right now. Puck's on the line, however. Another save. Megan back to Sharp. Fakes it back to Megan. He shoots a stop. Kept alive, however. Sharp with it. Across. Takes a bounce. And it goes into the net. It goes completely over the goal line. And on top of that, Ronta bounces it off his own guy and into the net. It rolled completely over the line. Patrick Sharp has tied the game at 4. Folks, we got a good one here. It's a nice break from all the low-scoring games we've been having lately. It's a nice break. 4-4 with 53 seconds to go and an offside on the face-off. Puck still on the line. The offside is delayed, and they'll throw it in the corner with 47 seconds. 4-4 is your score with 47 seconds to go. Sharp pulls it from out of position. Nothing. Hamilton shoots save. Now Sharp himself sounded like a goal, but it actually went behind the net. And oh, would have been a nice pass, but instead it went to Megan, who gave it right to Stasny, and Hart able to make the save stationary. Sharp pushes it. Opozo scores! He gives the Blizzard the lead right back. It's 5-4 here. Man, we've got an exciting one. The Blizzard have taken it right back from the Dragons. It's 5-4. Kyle Opozo gets himself on the scoreboard with an absolute snipe after a beautiful push pass from Patrick Sharp. The Blizzard have rallied back after being down themselves to take a 5-4 lead with half a minute to go here in the period. Sharp with it. He puts a weak one on. Save again. Rebound. No. Stasny off the goalpost. And now Brouwer goes offside. It goes to the Blizzard to the middle. Megan save. And they put it back in behind their own net. 17 seconds to go. The Blizzard lead 5-4. The draw. Stasny save. By Hart and the Blizzard ain't taking any chances. And it's taken by Opozo, who goes offside himself. Stasny with it. He fakes it over to Hamilton. No. And 2.8 seconds left on the clock. The Dragons will get a draw on their own side of neutral ice. It's a good opportunity to maybe get a late goal. Here's the draw. Stastny with it. Having a little trouble. Save, and the period is over. After 2 periods, the Blizzard once again have the lead. The score is 5-4. We're back for what is probably going to be a pretty wild period number 3. The Blizzard lead the Dragons 5-4. It's been a good one here from Staples Center. And a couple quick shots to start the period. Brower's blocked, and oh man, they got lucky. Ronta had to block that repel from going in their own net. Sent across. Stastny, another save. Sharp with it. Gave it across to Okposo. He shoots another one. He missed the shot. Stastny up to Brower. He's blocked again by Megan. Man, they're not getting very lucky here, and that shot skips and goes out of bounds. 24 seconds into the period, the Blizzard continue to lead by 1. It's 5-4. Good pass to Hamilton. He can't bang it home. Sharp with it. Gave it away. Stastny. It skips up, but it does not go in. And the puck's on the line. It goes to the Dragons. Hamilton snaps a shot, man. That thing had a lot of velocity. Another giveaway to Stastny. Another save. Kept alive. Brower with it. He whiffs on the shot. Give it across to Hamilton, who's blocked, and it goes in. Patrick Sharp blocks the shot. And with all that luck, it goes into the net. And the Blizzard have their third 2-goal lead of the game. It's 6-4. That might be the dagger. Patrick Sharp with 4 goals in the game. The Blizzard lead 6-4. The draw goes to Stastny. He's got it. He shoots hard. Another save. Another long shot from Sharp. Hamilton blasts one, no. And whoa, that nearly went in. But Brower with a shot save. Hamilton rebound, no. And he threw it out of bounds, and he just penalized himself. And that very well might be the dagger. LA number 28, minor penalty for delay of game. That right there might have just ruined any chance of LA winning the game. They're going to have to get a big miracle here if they want to do something. Penalty lasts till 57 seconds to go in the period. Sharp, open ice to shoot. Can't put it home. Stastny to Brower. Back to Stastny. He shoots off the crossbar. And a long shot. No good. They'll pass it around. No. Brower getting risky here on the PK. There's another missed shot. 100 seconds to go. The Blizzard leads 6-4. A wild ending here is guaranteed. Sharp with another save. The Dragons get it. Brower puts one on right at Carter Hart. Man, it's been tough to score. They have to get risky. They're going with the power kill strategy. Now they're killing a little bit of time. Stastny, another shot save. Whoa, it's an own goal! Okay then, 80 seconds left. An own goal for the second time, and the Dragons have life. It's 6-5. I believe it's going to be Brower getting credit again. Still 80 seconds to go in the game. Here's the draw. Brower shoots, another save. And they gave it away, Brower. No. I wonder when they'll pull the goalie. Probably not right now. Ronta shot it. No, and he was quick to get back to his net. LA now going into the power or the penalty kill mode. And score! Tie game. Paul Stastny with a snipe from behind his own goal line. 2 shorties. And the Dragons tie it at 6. Wow. Crazy stuff. 6-6. Six the score. A minute 2 to go. Puck Has it. Here's a shot. No good. Penalty is over. That's the penalty kill of the year right there. Hamilton puts another one on. No good. Both teams are now playing for the win. They score! Stastny again! 3 in a row! The Dragons have stolen the lead. 7-6. Wow. What a game. Timeout Saskatoon immediately called. You have to. Timeout SSK. 7-6 the score here at SC. Or at the Crypto.com arena, my bad. We'll be back shortly. How does LA have the lead? How the hell does LA have the lead? That's like 3 goals in like half a minute or so. 7-6 the score. Blizzard, get it. Save. LA killing time. Up by 1. Back over to Hamilton. He shoots. No. Goes back to the Dragons. When does Saskatoon pull the goalie? They give it away. And a shot missed. Rebound save. They did not pull the goalie. LA still up by 1 at 7-6. Here's a shot save. Comes back. They still have it. 20 seconds given away. Goalie is gone. Campbell's out on that right side. Sharp again. Missed the shot. And off the goalpost on the empty net. Campbell a shot. Oh, he had him. The goalie was down. He's going to try for it and score! 8-6 with 9 seconds left. The Dragons just absolutely explode in the second half of the period. They get the empty netter. They're going to take this one 8-6. Wonder if they'll let him score. 38 seconds. The draw goes to Saskatoon and a shot save. LA's got it. 3 seconds left. This should end it. Save. Dragons win 8-6. What a miracle win for the Dragons, who thought they were out of it after the Blizzard made it 6-4. And after Hamilton took a penalty, but the Dragons with a big win here at Crypto.com Arena. Stastny with 5 goals. He might have had more. But anyway, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.